This is classed as like a multi-tap delay. Familiar with like a tap delay, but it's gonna add multiple voices. We just add these voices, or essentially particles. Then we've got like 3 main controls: the scale of the positions that the particles are in, and then the speed. We kind of have like these pop-out menus. If we want to treat it like a normal delay, we've just got the time we can set to sync mode, and this will sync it into notes, or we can hit that again and it will just set it to milliseconds. This is a feature I really like. We've got the pitch. We can hit recycle, which enables pitch shifting. Gives you this sort of like abrasive digital texture. And then if we hit this F, it's like fine tune, so we can slightly detune it if you want like more of an analog feel. That's it for the video. Thanks so much for watching once again. Please consider subscribing to my Patreon if you want to support me, if you want to cop to this project file or my stash kit as well. It's all included in the membership. Appreciate you stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video.